question. In the first question, what AB is given equal to 24 centimeter and the BC is equal to given 7 centimeter. Okay. We have to find out what the sine A and cos A. Second question, what we should find out here, sine C and comma cos C. Listen very carefully. What we should do first, we have to draw the triangle always, and this triangle is same for all the question. Okay, this is same for all the questions. So here I write A, then this is a B, and this is a C. So here is the right angle triangle, and here see the given that sine A and cos A, nothing but the angle A is you have to write here angle A. Okay. Second question, sine C cos C is given. I will do another triangle for that. Okay. So first listen here. So sine A is nothing but angle A. Okay. So now here hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Opposite of angle A is called what? Perpendicular. Opposite of angle A is called perpendicular. And this is the base. So now AB is given here 24 centimeter. AB is what? 24 centimeter. BC is what? 7 centimeter. So what do you have to find out in this case?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse you have to find out. So hypotenuse, you know, it is very easy to find. So AB square is equal to what? Sorry, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC square. So hypotenuse is AC square. So AC square is equal to
B square plus BC square.
AB square plus BC square. Correct. AB square plus BC square. So AB is nothing but 24 square plus BC is nothing but 7 square. 24 square is nothing but 576 plus 7 square is 49. So that is become what? 625. So AC square is 625. I can write AC is equal to square root of 625. So what is AC will come here? AC is equal to
25.
25.
25.
AC, that is a hypotenuse we have got here 25. Exactly correct. Okay. So now here first answer easily we can able to write here. The first answer, that is sine A and cos A. So sine A, what is the ratio of the sine A? Sine A is nothing but what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine A is nothing but perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So what is the value of here perpendicular in this figure?
7 centimeter.
7 by 25.
7 divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 25. Okay, the first answer is completed. Now cos A. Cos A curly brown hair means base by hypotenuse. That is called base by hypotenuse.
24 by 25.
Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Base. What is the base here? That is a 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Correct. Over C. It's very simple. If you know the ratio, then easily you can able to find. So here in whenever you want to do trigonometry problem, the first thing you should remember how to use the Pythagoras theorem and then how to use the trigonometric ratio. If you know these two things, easily you can able to find. Now the second question they given sine C and cos C. So what I will do, I will draw the same diagram. Diagram is same. The triangle is same here. Okay, triangle is same, but here the angle is different. Here the angle is different. Okay, ABC. Here see sine C and cos C is given. So this angle only will come different. Okay, the C angle is given here. Others name. So here the values are same. Values will not change. This is the 25 means 25 only. This is 7 means 7 only. This is 24 means 24 only. Only just names are changed. So as C, opposite of 90 degree. Obviously, you know, opposite of 90 degree is hypotenuse. Okay, this is hypotenuse. What about the perpendicular? Which is the perpendicular here?
AB.
AB. AB.
24 centimeter AB.
Opposite of angle C. Opposite of angle C is called what? Perpendicular. Exactly correct. This is the perpendicular. And obviously the third side is the base. Okay, done. So now here you have to find out the sine C and cos C. So sine C, the ratio is same. The ratio will not change. But only the changes here what? Angle C. That's it. But only the ratio will same here. So sine C is also the ratio is same. Perpendicular by Hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is the value of perpendicular here in the second figure?
24 by
24 divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 25. Okay, so the first sin C is 24 by 25. Now we have to go for the cos C. Cos C. Cos C also ratio is same. That is what? Base by hypotenuse. Cos C is the base by hypotenuse. Ratio will not change. Base. In the second figure, the base is 7 centimeter.
7 by 25.
And hypotenuse is 25. 7 by 25 is the answer.